And I don't know, let's go that way with it. Yeah, I got one right here, one down there. All right, I got my first bobber down out here. I'm already tangled up with my line. And that is a big, delicious looking bluegill. Oh man, look at that. First bluegill of the day. String it up, take them home. I got one bobber set up over there. The other one down there. There's where I caught the bluegill just now. And I'll take 4 or 5 more of those. Please, fish gods. All right. I think this might be number 4 bluegill. Number 3 rather. Finding a good little school down over there by that entrance. And I think we got lunch. These are some nice slabby sized bluegills. Look at that. I mean, these are some big ones. Whoa. There's another big bluegill. Woo, woo. Hey, get back over here. Let's get down over here just in case. All right, this one's a little bigger than the other two. All right, let's string this guy up too. That puts us at 3. See how many we can get today. You know, I haven't done a lot of bluegill fishing. Haven't really known that there was like a season for them and a time for them to start to come in to the shallow area. But here we are, we got 3 so far. These will be nice. These will be nice for lunch. All right, let's tie this up. I'm using crappie size hooks, which are actually working just fine. I thought for bluegill you needed something smaller, but these are just number 4 hooks, little gold hooks. All right, just gonna tie a little clinch knot here. I've always known this as the fisherman's knot. 4, 5 is enough for bluegill. Usually I go 6 and 7 just because I'm used to that amount as I'm counting it off, but should be more than enough for bluegill. This knife is a very old knife. It's belonged to my dad. It's probably 40 years old, 50 years old, this knife. All right, let's get another little toughie, minnow, out of here. Perfect size for crappie, and as it turns out, for bluegill as well. All right, let's see if I can get right back into that patch. Right about there. About where I've been catching them. Alright, looks like we got another bobber down situation. Yep, we got him. Oh, this one feels pretty good. one feels a little better than the little one, so I'm gonna guess it's a keeper. Keeper gilly. What do we got here? Yeah. Is this one gonna make it? Yeah, this one makes the cut. Nice. All right. Another keeper size bluegill. All right, hand size. This is about what you want, right? Yeah. All right, there we go. Way out there is where I've been catching them. I mean, it might be a good idea to walk over to that area, but I've had enough success from here, and I just don't want to be on the side of the road there. But I'm still hoping for some crappie. Ooh, I think this is a bass. What is this? Oh, yeah, got myself a little bass. Little largemouth. Get bigger, we'll see you soon. All right, it's the afternoon now, same day, and I've come back to the same spot with a few other ideas in mind, and there is a snake. I believe that is a water moccasin. Right there. If I mess with it, it'll get scared. They usually are pretty chill. I don't really fear snakes, although, you know, I am of course cautious. Of course, now I just keep looking back for snakes. I was like, I'm not scared of them, and I can't stop looking for them. All right, came over to another spot and getting some small bites, and looks like a green sunfish. All right, pretty little guy. Oops, get back in there. There you go. Oh, there it goes. Looks like it's gone. All right, that feels like a fish. This feels like it's got a little strength on it. Nice. Okay. Okay. This one feels pretty good. All right. Whatever this is, feels really good. Might be a bass or a bluegill. What have we got here? Yeah, another bluegill. All right, actually, yeah, it's another bluegill. All right, we will keep it. All right, last one of the day. All right, I wasn't expecting this, but got a nice little bass. Now, I'm worried a little here because I got a really small line, and of course you guys saw the snake. Whew. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. And there's a nice little bass caught off the bobby. Little guy, nice. All right, let's release the old fella. Nice. I just cruise it along this side. Sorry for not catching the hit, but just cruising it along the side edge here. All right, everybody, that was fun. Caught 6 of them And now I'm heading home to do some filleting, and then we'll cook these guys. So let's get over there and get to cooking. All right, that was some fun bluegill fishing. We are back at the house. I'm gonna cook them up. I also have some catfish that I also want to cook up, because I want to do a comparison between these two fish that are pretty sought after here in Tennessee, bluegill and catfish. And then some books I've read say, you know, one is better than the other, so I want to judge for myself. So I'm gonna make some tacos, and we're gonna fry them up, and we're gonna put them in there. I'm gonna make a sauce, and not too complicated. You can definitely follow the recipe. But at the end, we will find out which one is better by my standards, bluegill or catfish. Don't mind the patching. My wife is changing the color of that wall, and I had to do some drywall repair because, yeah, I had to make the wall look good, and so it looks like that right now. But don't mind the wall. It's just there, and we're gonna do some cooking. All right, let's do some cooking. Tell you guys what the ingredients are next. All right, so for the batter, we're gonna have two types. We're gonna do a flour and cornmeal mixture, and we're gonna do an Italian seasoning or breadcrumb, not Italian seasoning, just regular breadcrumb and panko mix as well. For the batter, we're gonna use some Louisiana hot sauce. I almost said that wrong. For the batter, we're gonna use Louisiana hot sauce, a couple of eggs, and some Dijon mustard. And for the seasoning, some salt, black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and onion powder.
No word from them, huh?
Mm-mm.
Jesus. It's getting a little ridiculous.
All right, this is the catfish, and here is the bluegill. Yeah, much larger than these little guys. So let's chop these up to sort of match these. All right, I forgot to do this, but I'm gonna add some capers to that and even a little bit of the caper sauce. This brine goes good with fish. All right, let's get some tortillas on the cast iron. state your name.
Erica Gerard.
And you are?
Your wife.
Yay! All right, down there I have bluegill with panko and breadcrumbs. Catfish.
Okay.
With flour and cornmeal. Bluegill with flour and cornmeal. And catfish with breading. So, catfish with breading and cornmeal. Bluegill with breading and cornmeal. So, try each of those.
Okay.
And see which one you like the best.
What's this one?
That's bluegill.
Bluegill with
Cornmeal.
cornmeal. I like that. Okay.
And that one's bluegill with panko and breadcrumbs.
Okay. Also good, but different.
The two catfish pieces.
Can I decide between the bluegill?
Yes. Which one of those two?
I actually prefer the cornmeal one because it has a more, I don't know, traditional, yummy fried fish flavor. It was a little more flavorful to me.
Okay, so you like cornmeal bluegill. All right.
I liked the cornmeal. I think I liked them both, but
Sure.
if I had to pick.
Right.
Okay. Now, catfish.
Catfish.
All right.
Cornmeal, panko,
I'm gonna go
and
in the
breadcrumbs.
same order.
Perfect.
Okay. Okay. All right, all right. Okay.
Now, of these two,
So for this one, I preferred the panko
same.
because I don't love catfish, and so I think the panko kind of helped me enjoy the type of fish more.
Perfect. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome, love.
All right, let's make some tacos.
You're not going to put Hershey in it?
Couple of shells. Oh yeah, there's Hershey. And he's ready for some. And here's the other one, absolutely in position. All right, this one's gonna have bluegill with breading. And this one will have bluegill with cornmeal. All right, next a little bit of the sauce. Some crunch. And there we have it. A really amazing bluegill taco. All right, so here is the finished plate. And here you go, love.
Oh, thank you, amores.
You're welcome. Say goodbye to everybody and tell them, see you on the next one.
Bye. See you on the next one.
And because they're dogs, we're gonna go with catfish for them.